Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will see how to install and set up the Epson Workforce WF-3620 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux computer, laptop, or tablet, step by step in a simple and easy way. First of all, open any web browser on your system. After that, go to Google Search. In the search bar, type Epson Workforce WF-3620 support and then press enter. Now, from the search results, open the official Epson website result that says Epson Workforce WF-3620. Make sure you are opening the official Epson domain for safety and compatibility. Once the page opens, scroll down a little and look for the operating system drop-down menu. From here, select your operating system, whether it is Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. After selecting the correct OS version, click on the Go button. After that, scroll down again on the same page. Here, you will see different download options. Look for the Driver and Utilities Combo Package Installer. This package includes everything you need to properly run your Epson Workforce WF-3620 printer. Click on the Download button to start the download process. Once the file is fully downloaded, open the downloaded file. You may see a security prompt showing that the publisher is verified. Click on Yes to continue. Now the installer will open. Simply follow the on-screen instructions just like installing any normal application. Click OK to continue with the installer and proceed to the next steps. During the installation process, you will be asked to choose your printer connection type. Here, you can select either wired, USB, or wireless printing, depending on how you want to use your printer. You can also choose any optional features if they are useful for you. After this, carefully read the license agreement and accept the terms and conditions. Once accepted, click on the Install button to begin the installation. The installation will take a few minutes, so please wait patiently. Once the process is completed, your Epson Workforce WF-3620 printer will be successfully installed and ready to use on your system. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.